Okay, let's talk about pre-roll advertising. Pre-rolls are, by definition, ads that play just before the video that the viewer has selected to play. I'm using YouTube as an example because this is how it started, but it's also on other video or broadcast yourself platforms. So, a few facts about pre roll: 94% of people choose to skip pre roll advertising. So, when you go on YouTube, you find a video about how to brush your hair, and before that comes on, an advertisement for Burger King shows up, and you're watching that button, waiting to skip it because it's not something you want to see. Over 100 hours of video uploaded each day. So, this is a very popular medium. YouTube is the second largest search engine. Viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video compared to 10% when they're reading it in a text. Pre roll is great for brand awareness. We talked about that when we were talking about podcasts. However, you have a huge challenge. Avoid users from hitting that skip button. So, when YouTube introduced the True View, they gave the viewer the option to skip the pre roll ad being displayed after watching 5 seconds of the footage. Advertisers are only charged when someone chooses to watch beyond the 5 second mark. While TrueView avoids the problem of being overcharged, creating genuine viewer engagement for pre roll ads still presents a big challenge for advertisers. As marketers, what can we do about this? Well, we need to think beyond the usual formats to come up with creative, non traditional, and even extreme ways of attracting the audience's attention within the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video. So let's look at some successful pre roll advertising campaigns. The first one is Geico. This might have been something you've seen before because it was very popular. It's considered one of the most successful pre roll campaigns. It was actually done by the Martin Agency here in Richmond, Virginia. And Ad Age named it the campaign of the year in 2016. Here it goes.
Don't thank me. Thank the savings.
You can't skip this Geico ad because it's already over. Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Here's another great pre roll ad campaign. You have two elements which distinguish successful pre roll ads: the ability to address the viewer being reluctant to view in the intrusion of the ad, closely align the content with that of the video that it precedes. And so this campaign was done by BBDO, and it was executed perfectly. So what they did was created 64 custom scripts so that each ad could be customized for the video it played in front of. And the ad also states that their target audience, young men, hate pre-rolls advertisements while still presenting Burger King's offer. So let's let's just view how this campaign was set up.
Damn bitches be on my nerves right now. I cannot even watch a simple YouTube video without these advertisements popping up.
YouTube ad. I hate these things. This guy's just trying to watch a graphic animal attack video, but no, I have to sit through an ad. Ugh, stupid, incredible deal. This guy's just trying to watch a screaming goat video, All Black highlights, watch a music video, Jimmy Fallon clip, an Anchorman 2 trailer, North Korean babies play the guitar, but no, they have to sit through an ad.
Very successful pre-roll campaign there. Let's look at one more. Friends was very popular in, I believe, the 90s, 2000, at least 10 years ago. After acquiring the rights to all 236 episodes of Friends, Netflix made the show relevant to a whole new generation of fans with the pre-roll campaign that was adaptive and responsive to popular searches on YouTube. So they're trying to make this show popular again with a whole new generation, and this is how their approach this whole
Friends was the most iconic show of the 90s. Everyone talked about Rachel's hair, this song,
Smelly cat,
and Joey's famous pickup line.
How you doing?
So how does Netflix relaunch a show that finished 10 years ago when people are busy watching lots of other stuff? Introducing the Friendly Pre-Roll campaign. The first pre-roll campaign that is responsive to the videos you're looking for on YouTube. Because no matter what you're watching, there's something in Friends related to it. That's why if you're looking for cute cats, you'll get a pre-roll of Rachel showing off her hairless cat.
It's a cat.
That is not a cat.
If you look for makeup tutorials, you'll get a clip of Joey advertising makeup in Japan.
Ichiban, lipstick for men.
And if you're looking for dance moves, you'll see Monica and Ross doing their famous dance routine. We tagged thousands of videos with YouTube's top searches, but we didn't stop there. We even created daily pre-rolls in real time related to the world's trending topics.
I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone.
Helping Friends become the it show in France almost 10 years later. All with a simple pre-roll campaign.
Very successful pre-roll campaign there. Okay, let's talk about just a few tips about pre-roll ads. The first one is deliver your message in the first 5 seconds. This is something that Geico executed perfectly with their unskippable campaign. If 94% of people are choosing to skip after the first 5 seconds, then it's essential that your key marketing message is delivered quickly. Keep in mind the context. One of the most common complaints about pre-roll advertising is that the ad is longer than the video that it precedes. No one wants to see a 30-second advertisement before a clip that may be half of that time. Careful targeting. YouTube provides detailed targeting for which type of audience your pre-roll ad appears in front of. So that's very important that you pick a pre-roll that has the same target. That you pick a video or a video category that has the same target as your pre-roll. Make them laugh. When looking at a pre-roll ad that has succeeded, one of the reoccurring elements is humor. Viewers have have an inbuilt resistance to pre-roll advertising because it delays them from watching the video that they have selected. So if you can provide value by making them laugh, then that audience is much more likely to respond favorably to the ad. And the last thing is build curiosity. Keeping the audience engaged with the ad beyond the 5-second skip mark is the biggest challenge. If you can build curiosity into your ad in these first 5 seconds, you should lower the number of people who skip through the ad. So that is your lecture on pre-roll advertising.